How to copy and paste text on your Android device. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste text on your Android device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to copy and paste text on Android, first navigate to the app or page that you want to copy text from. Hold your finger down on the word or words you want to copy. To select additional text, drag the markers at the beginning and end of your highlighted section. To select all text on the page, tap Select All in the pop-up menu. Once you've highlighted the text that you want to copy, tap on Copy. Next, navigate to the app or page where you want to paste the text. Next, hold your finger down in the empty space in the text box to reveal a pop-up menu. Tap Paste to paste your copied text. You can use this method to copy any sort of text, including emails, messages, URLs, contact information and more. And that's all it takes to copy and paste text on Android. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.